Subject is science, and today we will start chapter number 10, properties of light. In this chapter we will discuss how light can transmit, absorb and reflect. So first of all we will start its reading, and in reading we will discuss firstly luminous objects and non-luminous objects. Luminous objects are those objects through which light comes out. In other words, we can say that light is a form of energy which is given out by luminous objects. For example, sun, bulb, candle, these are the luminous objects. Students, you know that from sunlight comes out, from bulb light comes out, and candle, this is also luminous objects. From these all objects light is given out. Next, there is non-luminous object. Non-luminous objects are those objects through which light does not come out. So for example, chair, table, these are the objects through which light does not come out. So these are called non-luminous objects. Next we will discuss transparent materials. Now transparent materials, these are the materials through which light can pass. For example, glass, water, clear plastic and air. These are the materials through which light can easily pass. So these are called transparent materials. Next there is translucent material. Translucent materials are those materials through which light cannot pass. So materials through which light cannot pass, these are called translucent materials. For example, tracing paper, waxed paper, these are the translucent materials. And further we will discuss transmission, absorption and reflection of light. Students, you know very well, when light falls on different objects it behaves differently. When light falls on the surface of non-luminous objects, it can behave in three ways, in transmission, absorption and reflection. So first we will discuss how light transmits, then we will discuss how light absorbs, and then at the end we will discuss about reflection. So first one case is transmission. When light falls on the transmitted or transparent objects, you can see light falls on the transparent object and it is transmitted on the other side. It can pass through through the other side. So this is called transmission, and we can see across the transparent objects. Second one case is absorption. Absorption is when light falls on the rough surface or on the surface of opaque objects. Then most part of this light absorbed and changed into heat energy, and after that temperature of an opaque object is increased. A black surface absorbs most of the heat. Third case is when light falls on a smooth shiny surface, it bounces off. It comes back or it reflects in one particular direction. It reflects on the same object. This bouncing of light is called reflection of light. Thank you.